Honey, I think we should travel to Honolulu for our vacation.
Honolulu is very far away. Remember that we can't be away for so long. Besides, the dollar is very expensive.
We would travel for 4 days. My sister will be in charge of the restaurant. We have been saving money for this trip.
I already decided. We will travel to Ushuaia. It's closer.
You're not listening to my arguments. Remember that you choose the place of our last vacation.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm not listening to you.
What do you think of my arguments?
You're right. We'll travel to Honolulu.
Thank you for understanding.